What's up guys, so I received the question, what kind of features do I want to see upgraded in the Bold M2 or whatever they're going to call it when it comes out. So first up is definitely the battery life. So I would love to see a 4000 milliamp battery. So the M1 has a 3500 milliamp battery and it gets you around 6 hours, 6 hours and 30 minutes of screen on time. I think with a 4000 milliamp battery you will easily be able to get that 8 hours of battery life. Now there are a lot of phones in that $200 price range that have 4000 milliamp batteries like the A20 and a lot others, so I don't think this is too much of a stretch here. Next would be an additional camera, or if they can just take off the depth sensor I wouldn't mind, but I don't know the cost and how much it costs to add a wide angle lens. That's something I would love to see. So it has a dual camera setup, 16 megapixel standard and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. I would love to see that ultra wide. I just think it's more useful. So you can shoot in 1080p. I would love to see a bump to 2160p in this next iteration, but if they can keep that depth sensor and add the ultra wide, that would be excellent as well. Alright, so the next one would be NFC. So I recommend this phone to a lot of people, and one of the main things that automatically kills it for people is the lack of mobile payments. People really love mobile payments. Now I personally don't really use mobile payments, but it's very convenient for people, and I understand you know, if you use that, then this is something you're gonna miss on the Bold M1. Now next would be a beefier processor. Of course, this is gonna happen regardless. Now I'm thinking they're gonna add the same processor that they have in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. That plays pretty much everything on high: Call of Duty, PUBG, Fortnite, everything on high, and it costs about the same. So I think it's the Helio G90T, and I think that will make its way to the Bold M1. So you would just have a more beefier processor. And I think last on the list is I would love to see another color option. So right now you can only choose from the black one, and I would love to see like a white version of this phone, only because the black version shows scratches pretty easily, and I kind of have like a little scuff that I see already. So I would just love to have different color options. That would be very nice as well. So what are some of the features that you want to see in the Bold M2? Be sure to let me know, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.